Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on Nissan, please help me subscribe to the channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2012 Nissan Juke 1.6 turbo. So right now the check engine light code is P0133. That's the air fuel ratio sensor. Now they're all the same. 1 out of 3. There you go. Now for the air fuel ratio sensor, it's really easy to get to. It's on top right here. I took out the engine cover on top, so that way I have some room to get access to the sensor right here. So for the connector, you're gonna press on this tab right here in the back and then pull, and then use the O2 socket right here to break out the sensor. So sensor 1 is on top, sensor 2 is after the cat. So this is on top, upstream, sensor 1. So after you break it loose, and then it comes out like that. And then let me see if I can show you the part number. There you go, you can see the part number clearly right there. It says Nissan Denso. And then at the same time, since you're here, check out the other connector. Make sure the pin in here is straight, it's not damaged or bent, no corrosion. Check out the wires in the back, make sure there's no rip or tear, anything broken. So here I got my new Denso sensor right here. This is a new one. That's the part number. It's exactly the same thing. Now I'm just gonna put it back on here. It has anti-seize for me already, so I don't have to put any. Just put it in, reconnect the connector, and clear the check engine light. Here you go, I put in my new one already, tighten it down, reconnect the connector, just put the cover back now. So right now I have the car on. Now I'm gonna clear the check engine light and show it to you one more time. There you go. Erase. There you go. Turn the car off. Turn it back on. So that's it. That is it for this video, guys. Just a air fuel ratio sensor replaced. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.